So hey guys, this is our first video of basic robotics, and in this we are gonna learn how to glow an LED using Arduino Uno. So we have connected this LED to ground and this pin to D2, and you have to make sure that the pin we have wrote in the code should be same on the Arduino. So first we need to write void setup, and after that we will be entering curly brace in the column. In that we will be writing our first syntax, which will be pin mode. Make sure we need to write the same pin mode which you have given. So this is 2, and after that we need to write output because this sensor is giving us an output. After that, we need to write void loop in which we are gonna write the statement which is going to have happen continuously. So we are gonna write digital write high. This is a syntax which help an LED or a buzzer to glow. You can also add digital write to comma low, which can give your project and a different look, which will make your project blinky. Before, in between, we need to put a delay so we can adjust the speed of the LED. One in this 1 second is equals to 1000 milliseconds. So we can give any type of delay we want. So I am giving it 100 milliseconds. Okay, so this is the small code for our LED. So guys, as you can see, this is the final output of our project.